In today's video, I'm going to show you how to align text in Adobe Photoshop quickly and correctly. Whether you're designing thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, or any kind of visual content, proper text alignment makes your design look clean, professional, and balanced. The good news is, Photoshop has several built-in tools that make aligning text extremely easy once you know where to look. I'll walk you through 3 simple methods you can use depending on what you're trying to do. We'll cover how to center text on the canvas, how to align text inside a text box, and how to align multiple text layers at the same time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to control text alignment in Photoshop like a pro. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, let's look at the most common situation, which is aligning text directly on the canvas. This is especially useful when you want your text perfectly centered in the middle of your design. Start by going to the Layers panel and selecting the text layer that you want to align. Make sure the correct text layer is active, because Photoshop will only align the currently selected layer. Next, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, press Command+A. This selects the entire canvas and tells Photoshop that you want to align the layer relative to the whole document. Once the canvas is selected, choose the Move tool. You can do this by pressing the letter V on your keyboard or by clicking the Move tool icon in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. After selecting the Move tool, look at the top options bar. You'll see several alignment buttons appear. These are the tools that control how your layer aligns within the selected area. To center the text horizontally, click the Align Horizontal Centers button. This will move the text so it is perfectly centered from left to right. If you also want the text centered vertically, click Align Vertical Centers. Now your text will sit exactly in the middle of the canvas, both horizontally and vertically. This is one of the fastest ways to center titles or headlines in thumbnails, banners, and graphic layouts. Now let's move on to the second method, which is aligning text inside a text box. This works a little differently, because instead of aligning the entire layer on the canvas, you're aligning the text inside the text area itself. First, select the Type tool by pressing the letter T on your keyboard. Then click on your text layer and highlight the text you want to align. Next, go to the top menu and click Window, and then choose Paragraph. This will open the Paragraph panel if it isn't already visible in your workspace. Inside this panel, you'll see several alignment options. The first option is Left Align, which lines up all your text to the left side of the text box. The second option is Center Align, which places the text in the center of the text box. The third option is Right Align, which pushes the text to the right edge. And finally, you'll see Justify options, which stretch the text so it aligns evenly along both sides of the text box. These options are especially useful when working with paragraphs, captions, or longer blocks of text where you want consistent formatting. The third method is aligning multiple text layers at the same time. This is very helpful when you're working on complex designs with several text elements that need to line up perfectly. To do this, go to the Layers panel and hold the Shift key while clicking on multiple text layers. This allows you to select several layers at once. Once your layers are selected, choose the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard. Just like before, look at the alignment buttons in the top options bar. You can use these buttons to align all selected layers together. For example, you can align them to the left edge, center them horizontally, align them to the right, or align them vertically. This makes it very easy to create perfectly organized layouts without manually dragging each layer. And that's it. Those are 3 simple ways to align text in Adobe Photoshop using the Move tool and the Paragraph panel. Once you get comfortable with these tools, aligning text becomes incredibly fast and helps your designs look much more polished and professional. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.